The Bounce 145-pound catch weight is the lightest Kodos far
Birds.
in 3 years. It's not exactly been one of the team's more united efforts.
Guwapo.
I wasn't alone. I was with Joe. Joe's and Joe and Charlie. We went to In and Out. It's a confession. This is my confession.
Video eh.
Kaya nga naman, magkaroon naman kayo ng picture sa cellphone ko.
Video to pre ah.
Occasional amusement this week has been tempered by anticipation.
Kaya nga naman, magsama-sama kayo ako.
The young
Magkaroon naman kayo ng picture sa cellphone ko.
his skill, as well as his fights.
Wala pa akong souvenir. Ako na video ah.
That's 24/7. Go!
Boxing is typically considered an individual sport.
Ilan yan? Dalawa. Dalawa yan, dalawa. Dalawa tagay man. Bakit ang higa ni Bob?
Higa ni Bo kayo.
Higa ni Bob.
Higaan. Ano naman? Ito lang pangit sa cellphone ba ano ba? Hindi siya na isusog. Kaya kung gusto mo siya lapitan, lalapitan mo, ganyan. Kung malayuan, lalayo mo yung cellphone mo.
Pagka nasa baba mo, kailangan mo bumaba ka pa.
Oo, kung mababa yung cellphone, kung